Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is DeUndrea if you're new here. So as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a review on the Jacquemus Le Chiquito bag. If you think that you will be interested, make sure that you keep on watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and of course subscribe to my channel. So I ordered this bag from Ssense during their private sale, so I did get a pretty nice discount. I'm going to put it down on the screen because I don't exactly remember, but I think it was about like $340 something that I paid. So yeah, it came in just a box like this, and then plastic that has Ssense, and then it has like the color and then the information. It comes in this dust bag. It's just pretty plain. So yeah, I mean, it's nothing too amazing. And then you get the crossbody, which I literally like, I haven't worn this bag yet actually, because I don't know why, but I have not been going anywhere. Love how the straps are adjustable, and so it's pink. This is just a Jacquemus tag. And then here's the little bag. Oh my god, it's so cute. I actually bought this before. I bought like a blue one, but it was suede. I didn't realize that it was suede, and I'm just like, I'm scared of suede bags, so I returned it. And I actually got a really good deal on that one too. So yeah, but then I saw this one in leather and it was pink, and I really been wanting a pink bag. Like, I don't have like any color bags at all, and I definitely want to start getting into them. So yeah, I think this is just so cute. Just like a cute pop of color like with any outfit, and it's just small and cute. I love it. It's not really much to it, but it does have the gold Jacquemus right here. And then the back is just plain, and then you open it up and it just has like a really small compartment. It doesn't have like anything in it. It's just a little thing you just put stuff in. So yeah, and I'm gonna do like a close-up video for you guys to see. But yeah, super cute. This is smooth leather, and I do feel like you can kind of see scratches. Like I haven't even worn this, and I already have like some scratches from my nails. They're really light. I probably can buff them out, but yeah. And the inside does have like it's a beige color. So, I definitely have to be careful what I put in here because it can get dirty quick. But honestly, I don't think I'm going to wear this bag too much. Like, I'll probably just wear it, every now and then, like for vacation. But yeah, these how it looks with the straps. Super cute. And of course, I'm going to include model shots for you guys.
Good for you, I guess you moved on really easily. You found a new girl and it only took a couple weeks. Remember when you said that you wanted to give me the world? Good for you, I guess that you've been working on yourself. I guess the therapist I found for you, she really helped. Now you can be a better man for your brand new girl.
I have a couple things that I'm going to show you guys, like what can fit in here. As you can see, like, it's really small. It's not really like the most practical bag ever, but I really just got it because of the style. I love the color, and I just wanted something, just a little pop of color. And I mean, compared to other brands, like they're like pretty affordable, I would say. My most common things that I have in my bag are my card holder. This is just a Louis Vuitton card holder, some chapstick or lip gloss, hand sanitizer because of course, COVID. And then I like to have a little spoolie because I wear lash extensions. I have my key. I don't really know if this is going to fit, but let's see. Let's see if all of my items fit. The only thing that I probably would bring that I don't have is maybe like an extra lip gloss because right now I only have chapstick, but yeah, I guess I would have to pick either or. I'm going to try to put my card holder in here and see. I mean, honestly, I don't think it's going to fit because it's pretty much the same size. So let's see. Yeah. Actually, so it actually can fit. It's basically like diagonal, as you can guys see, and I probably wouldn't be able to fit anything else. So I would not do that, and I'm pretty sure it wouldn't close. Yeah, it's not even going to close. So I'm going to see if I can just do like a card because, I'll be fine just having a card and some cash, and that fits pretty well. So that's good. I could just have like my debit card in there, some chapstick. That fits in there pretty good. Let's see, hand sanitizer because this is important. So that fits. My key, because I need to get around. to lose the hand sanitizer because it didn't fit. I had to choose either my key or my hand sanitizer. It fits my essentials. You know, it's not the biggest bag. It's not the most practical bag. But like I said, I mostly just bought it because of the look, the style, the aesthetic. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and of course, subscribe to my channel.
Put it out the coupe in the lot. 12 fuck 12 fuck SWAT. Put it out the coupe in the lot. 12 fuck 12 fuck SWAT.